This video, we will be drawing a parabola and coming up with the equation for a parabola given the lattice rectum. So first thing, we've got a lattice rectum with endpoints of 7, 3, and 7, -5, 7, 3, 7, -5. So from there, we know that the focus is going to be directly in the middle of the lattice rectums. So if this is 3 and this is -5, 3 plus -5 is -2, divided by 2 is -1. So this will be our focus right here. This will be the focus. If we know that half of the lattice rectum is 2c. That is 2c that way, and that is 2c that way. So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, then we know that our c, or p, if you like to think of it that way, is 2. So we come back to here, and that is going to be our vertex. That's our vertex, and that is 5, -1. So then if we go back 2 more, 1, 2, here we are at x equals 3. So if we go back 2 more, then we see our directrix is at x equals 3. So again, 1, 2 this way, 1, 2 that way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 up and down. Now you might be tempted to do some fancy big calculations and solving a system on your calculator. You can do that. You don't need to. The biggest piece of advice I can give anybody when they're doing conics is just draw the thing. Okay, so now I'm going to put these there. There's that, and let's draw our parabola. Now, let's look at the other one that it could be. So if this is our lattice rectum, 1, 2 that way, we could also go 1, 2 that way. And unfortunately, we're writing right on top of this thing, but what can you do? So our vertex, 1, 2. So our vertex here will be at 9, -1, and our directrix is at x equals 11. So then we will draw the same thing right there. And then here is our other parabola. Now, since these parabolas open left or right, the y term is squared equals 4c x minus h. Different textbooks, you'll see a c or a p here. It's the same thing. So for the yellow one, y plus 1 squared equals, now remember, c here is 2, goes from there to there or from there to there. C is 2, so that's 8x minus 5. And for the red parabola, y plus 1 squared equals 8 times x minus 9. Now we will go over to Desmos and make sure this actually works. Now here we are on Desmos, and we will put in the two parabolas. So you'll see that each of these, they go through 7, 3 and 7, -5. And here is the vertex of the first one, and here's the vertex of the second one. And we've got all our points in here. So again, the best thing you can do on these things is draw them. Sometimes you can't get out of having to do a bunch of heavy algebra, but many times you can.